I pray for you this Easter Monday in the name of Jesus Christ. All the stones are rolled away. As the angels rolled away the stone from the tomb of Jesus, every stone that have been hindering you, every mountain, every blockage, I see the angels of God rolling them away. In the name of Jesus Christ, I roll them away from your career. I roll them away from your business. I roll them away from your finance. I roll them away from your marriage. In the name of Jesus Christ, I see angels rolling away stones of your career, that city, every blockage in that city where you are, in that nation where you are. I see the angels of God rolling it away in the name of Jesus Christ, rolling that stone away. Every visa document you have been looking for that have been seized, I see the angels rolling away the obstacles, rolling away the orders, rolling away the hindrance in the name of Jesus Christ. Be free. Free access in the name of Jesus Christ. The Lord is pronouncing access to you. Access to everywhere there was blockage. The Lord said, I should tell you, there shall be access in the name of Jesus Christ. God bless you. Salam.